welcome Capricorn to your monthly horoscope reading. We're using Alternatic to get the central message out for you for today. This message is all about change and the development of change. So let's see. Capricorn change. What is in store for Capricorn? Okay, 3 cards for Capricorn. Sometimes it's not the amount of what we are saying, but more to do with what we are saying. The Two of Cups in reverse. I feel this is to do with missing yourself. You have this deep longing and missing part of you that you desperately want back into your life. You want to be accepted. You want to be greeted by this specific part of your life that feels missing, that feels excluded out of your life for whatever reason there may be. It's all part of life and the challenges that we face in life. In particular, we have to think of what we are doing right now. What are we up to in our lives right now? Is there something that we are doing now currently that is blocking this clear communication from being formed between part of us from the right now and a part of us that is missing? But with the Three of Cups, I feel this is not just a reconnecting to a strong signal. It is finding something better to do with your life and a lot of better things that are coming your way for this month, Capricorn. And it's a lot to do with that. You have to lose some to gain more. You have to make space to invite even more back into your life. And this is the Three of Cups. This is not only are you finding the missing part of you, you are finding more information about yourself that you probably didn't even know existed. Then the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Keep trying even when you think you are failing. That is when you learn the most. You learn this amount from theory, you learn this amount from practical work, but you learn an incredible amount from failing and picking yourself back up towards something greater than what you are currently having and experiencing in your life. Shadow work. Let's do some shadow work for Capricorn, please. Shadow work for Capricorn, please. Shadow work, Capricorn, please. The Two of Wands. Looking inwards, finding the answers from within. The Page of Pentacles. It is experiencing the full potential of life, death, a beautiful change that is happening. This is exactly what I'm talking about, the change that is happening in your life. And then the Two of Cups in the upright position. You found it. Capricorn, you have found the it factor of your life, that missing part of your life. You have found it. So congratulations on that specifically, Capricorn. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and as always, have a wonderful and a blessed day.